highs and...
You have just heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast in any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area.
From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for Stillwater and surrounding area.
That weekly test was
Tonight,
different
clear.
because usually they do the motorized. I'm saying it wrong. The different voice, which is computerized, but they actually did a person saying it. So glad I got that one on camera. It was different. That's all.